Sneezer, the sneezy ghost, the sleaziest roast you'll meet. From his nose, the wind he blows, and children think it's neat. He always says, his allergies are scary. He sneezes till he's blue, and pulls away his adversaries. Grown-ups just pick right up when a mouse comes in the house. He doesn't go boo, he goes, he's Sneezer, the sneezy ghost.